Hi, this is Dan Hamilton with the Hamilton Real Estate Group at Coldwell Banker in Palm Desert, California. It's Monday, November 23rd, and this is your Monday Minute, your weekly real estate update for the Palm Springs market. This week we're going to see a little bit of a change, and it may be some of that post-election bounce. We'll follow it for the next few weeks to see if that's what's happening, but let's see what's happening with our numbers this week. New listings, we're down about 5%. They're staying flat, generally in that low 400 range. And you can see here, we had a rapid increase earlier in the year, but this increase that we normally see going into season, so far is not happening. So inventory is remaining flat, and that's going to continue to pose problems for many of our buyers looking for homes in the desert. Our new escrows this week were up 22.3% to 324. So we saw a little bit of a dip, as you can see from the long-term chart, right around the election, and now we've had a big spike. What we're going to watch is does that number continue to go up post-election, as often happens after a presidential election year. So we'll keep an eye on that, but the new escrow activity is strong this week. Our closed transactions were up 49.6% to 371 this week. So that's a really strong showing for the closed transactions. You can see that's probably a result. We had a fairly strong new escrow activity, this green line here. And so, 30 to 45 days later, we're seeing that uptick in the new the closings. What will be interesting to watch is to see if this dip we saw in the new escrows, whether that rebound now continues post-election. So we'll keep an eye on that in the future updates. Our average selling price this week was $498,696. That was a 9.4% drop from last week, but that's still above the October average of $482,143. And each of the 3 months in November so far have been above that average, so I would expect to see the November average again to be higher than the month prior. So what are we seeing? We're seeing continued inventory constraints, which is making it challenging for buyers. Those inventory constraints are keeping the pricing edging ever so upward, and we're seeing the new escrows now start to rebound. We'll keep an eye on that in the coming weeks and see if that rebound continues into our seasonal selling season. If you want to see the charts for this update, you can get them online at www.themondayminute.com. If you're thinking about selling your home, give me a call, 760-625-7229, or send me a text at that number. I'd be happy to stop by and let you know what your home's worth and show you our awesome marketing plan that's helping getting our homes sold. And of course, if you're a buyer, you'll find an awesome home search at our website at www.thehamiltonregroup.com. Thanks for joining me, and come back every week for the Monday Minute.